Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, and Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu state that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu sought the permission of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam to enter, while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam was lying on his bedding, wrapped up in Hazrat Aisha's shadow. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam granted Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu the permission while he sallallahu alayhi wasallam was in that condition. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu went back after having his need fulfilled. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu sought the permission to enter, and he sallallahu alayhi wasallam accorded him the permission while he sallallahu alayhi wasallam was in the same state. He radiyallahu anhu, after having his need fulfilled, went away. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu said, thereafter I requested his permission to enter. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam whereupon sat upright and said to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, do your clothes. I got my need fulfilled and went away. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, what is the reason you did not show as much anxiety regarding Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu as you expressed for Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Usman is an extremely modest person, and I feared that he would not express his need if I permitted him to enter in that very state. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6160.